on Saturday, and I'm the only one up. I've been up since about 6 o'clock. Woke up to the weatherman. I think I left the TV on, so woke up. It's raining really hard out and pretty windy. I can hear all my wind chimes blowing, and so I decided to get up. I might stay up and have some coffee, but I wanted to give an update on the impending storm 2020.
Yeah, it's all ice.
So we're just bringing some wood in before it ices up and we can't walk up and down this hill anymore. It's kind of wet and nasty out. So I'm going to take the wood in. Come get a couple more loads. Obviously, one log's not going to do it.
Good morning again. Now it's actually almost 11 o'clock, and with the storm, the rain has turned over to, did you say sleet or ice?
Gruppel.
Gruppel?
Yeah, that's what it's
That's
called.
the technical name for it. Okay. So it's turned over to gruppel.
It's like snow, sleet,
Yeah.
ice, kind of all combined.
Yeah, kind of all together. So she wanted a draft pancake. And so we're going to make some draft pancakes and some eggs. So we're kind of mixed up. I like it a little bit on the thick side, just like my chili. A little dash of
Love.
vanilla.
Oh.
Of love, yes, of love. Cinnamon sugar. We like a healthy portion of that. Pour some in. Can't guarantee how it'll turn out. Like I said, first time draft cooking. So we missed the flip. That was kind of silly, but we decided we were going to flip it from the draft pan into the regular pan. And so we flipped it, and oh, here's how it turned out. I better not slide it though. So it turned out like that. It's kind of cute. Not bad for the first one. I think it needed to cook on that other side a little bit more, but there's our draft pancake. And here is our wonderful draft pancake with maple syrup. So good. Thanks for watching our production this morning. We will keep you posted on the impending doom storm 2020. So you can see where it was flooded, and now it's starting to kind of ice over and freeze, but it really doesn't look like it's doing that much outside. So I'm not sure. I guess I'm not in doubt. They say we're gonna get it, but right now it doesn't look too bad, and I'm pretty thankful for that.
What do dogs do on a ice storm day? Yep. That's pretty much it. All day long. Update.
Yeah, we had to come outside to see it because from inside it doesn't even look like nothing. The kids keep saying, when's the storm going to start happening? Because from inside you can't even tell anything's going on, really. It doesn't look like it, but you come outside and it's like raining little ice cubes. So
Yep.
we were just going to take a walk. And
This is all ice, slush, sleet.
Nasty.
More like slush than ice.
Yeah, well, they were saying they didn't know like what line we were on, if we'd get ice or slush, and they were saying if it's like sleet, then that's better than the ice. Oh, it's so very wet out here, like flooded. Show them Lake Gagne. There's Lake Gagne.
A little bit of it there, yeah.
Ooh, it is windy when you get on the other side of the barn. Oh, and that stuff is pelting in the face.
Oh.
They said it was going to be windy, but can't tell over by the house.
This isn't even
Certainly tell now.
the bad part of the storm yet.
Holy cow, we're down our trail.
We're supposed to get 6 inches of snow tonight. Yeah, that's the beginning of our trail.
Looks more like a creek.
Yeah. crazy, huh? Behind the barn. Oh,
Now we're
yeah.
back around to the front.
I didn't think it was going to be this nasty.
No,
It doesn't look like it when you're sitting in the house and it's nice and cozy.
no, it's kind of nice to come out here once in a while and say, oh yeah, this is what we're facing today. Because from inside you can't really tell. And I was feeling really lazy for being inside all day.
Yeah, now it's not a bad idea.
Now I'm reminded why. Thank God we still have power.
Yeah, we're alive. A little pre-salt in here.
So it's about 8 o'clock, a little after. We're loading the wood stove. About 20 after 8. We're loading the wood stove. Getting it warmed up just a little bit. And they said it was going to change over to snow at midnight, but I think the storm must have taken a different track because it looks like it's starting to change over to snow. So let's go take a look at that. Changing over to snow. You can see it's covered. I had shoveled all the ice off that and now it's getting covered with snow. So in comes the snow. I don't know whether to feel happy or sad about that. All I'm concerned about is the power. And earlier the power flickered a little bit. It went on and off and on and off, and then it came back on. Thank goodness. So we'll see. We'll see how this all turns out in the end. But this is your update of the Impending Doom Storm 2020.
Dun dun. Update. It's about 11:30. It's pretty much snow, and we still have power, so that's great. We'll see how it looks in the morning. All right, we're back. It's Sunday morning. We survived Impending Doom Storm 2020, and yeah, it's. Let's see if I can get a little shot here. We got a little bit. We got, I don't know, maybe another inch of snow, maybe. That was about it. It started snowing last night, and I think the storm kind of lightened up. So this was a real tough one for the meteorologists to kind of predict on. There was a lot of different factors in it. Temperature, a degree here or there kind of changed the whole makeup of the storm. So it was great. We didn't lose any power. We didn't lose any trees. Everybody survived. So I hope you guys enjoyed the updates along the way, and you guys got to kind of come along with us here. So yesterday it was looking pretty bad, but woke up pleasantly surprised this morning. So all right, that's it. Thanks for coming along with us on Impending Doom Storm 2020.